Hi friends, welcome back to Keeping Up with Miss Electra. And today's video is I'm going to show you all the travel size things Target has. They had really good stuff and I'm going to show you what I used when I went away and which products I used. So Target did have a lot of good stuff, so that's why I'm here to show you guys what Target had. So let me go in right now and show you what they had. All right, first of all, this plastic clear bag, I bought it from Target. Everything in here I got from the travel size, like it's usually in the back of Target. Like usually where the pharmacy is, that's where it is in mine. So, all right. So if you don't know where it is, just ask someone in the store and they'll tell you. It's all like the travel size things. Okay, so they had goodie stuff. First of all, they have the little Q-tips, which we all need Q-tips. So there's 30 in there, and it comes in this little plastic, which I think is cute. They had a little cream, a Vaseline. You don't want to bring your big cream, you know, if you're going for a few days. Then they had this little Vaseline, which is cute, especially if you're staying in the sun. You know, I think it works great on my lips, you know, afterwards. Had a little Listerine. I like that they had this. This was a dry shampoo. Daisy even likes them. They had the dry shampoo, and then they had a hairspray. Sometimes when you go away, you need a little hairspray, I think, even though you don't use it. What are you doing, Daisy? Daisy's sitting on the pillow. So they have the hairspray, especially if you're by the beach. I don't know. I think you need a little hairspray to tame your hair. Anyway, and I like this because sometimes you're so busy on vacation, you don't want to, you know, wash your hair and waste your time doing it. I don't know, I feel like that sometimes. And you put the dry shampoo. I'll tell you that, really a big section, they had really good stuff. And then they had a lint roller because, you know, God forbid there's lint on us, you know. You're on vacation, you don't want to look a mess, right? Especially if you're going out to dinner or something. So lint brush. They had deodorant, little size. They had even more smaller than this. So, and then they had little face washes, which I don't use this. My daughter picked that up. So the creams I used, I had to bring with me. I couldn't use, you know, the travel size. A little floss, you need floss. And then they had toothbrushes with the little case and everything. Actually, my boys got that, but they opened it up when we went away. But look for it. It came in a cute little clear like pouch. You know, it had like a little zipper on top, which I thought that was really cute. So look out for that too. Then they had the Tide to Go, which I really use this a lot. This I keep in my bag, and if everyone knows you have this, they're gonna just keep asking you. That's what happened to me. Sometimes don't even tell anyone, I think. So anyway, this they had too. They have a lot of good stuff at that travel section. You guys got to go check it out. And then they have a little off, which is so great. And they had this, you know, like a little first aid kit, a little Band-Aid. You'd always need this. This you could even just keep in your bag, I think. I keep this, and I keep the Tide all the time in my bag. So they have this. I think this was 99 cents, but it's cute. And then you could always refill it, you know, when it's used. So this is a good buy. And they had a static guard, which is great. You don't want to be all like staticky. So yeah, they had really great stuff. These are the things that I usually have in my bag. The only thing that's missing is my razor, my toothbrush, and my toothpaste. I believe they did have a trial size toothpaste. I didn't pick it up. But check your Target. It has great travel size things. So next time you're going on a trip, don't forget, go to Target and go to the travel section. They had really great stuff. Things that you could use when you go away, or things that you just want to use every day, just put in your bag. Because you could even use that little lint brush and, you know, certain things. So these are all the things that I liked that I found in Target. And I have my bag, and I just keep it in here because I'll be going, you know, a few, you know, weekends away to the beach and stuff, and I know I'm packed and I don't have to worry about that. So that's really great. All I have to put in here right now is just my toothbrush. That's it. If you like my video of Target's travel size stuff, give my video a thumbs up. Don't forget. Tell a friend. Don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. And I hope you always remember to keep designing life. Bye.